friends, it's Jessie here. I am back with my Thanksgiving grocery haul. I went to Walmart and Aldi this morning to pick up everything that we need for the big day. Tomorrow is prep day and then Thursday is Thanksgiving. Today's Tuesday that I'm filming this. You guys are going to see this evening on Tuesday, so you guys can see everything that I picked up for our feast. I already have the bird in our refrigerator thawing. It's a 16-pound bird this year. I already have potatoes. Everything else I think I pretty much had to get. So let me go over everything. Did I already say I went to Walmart and Aldi? I shopped in store today. I was there bright and early as Aldi opened to avoid the crowds. And there was already 8 cars in the parking lot when I pulled in 5 minutes before opening. So it was a pretty crazy trip. Anyways, first and foremost, butter. Can't do Thanksgiving without lots of butter. So I got 2 pounds of the unsalted butter and 1 of the salted. So we have a nice variety. We always do sort of a relish tray where we do pickles and olives and cheese and crackers and that sort of thing. So I stocked up on stuff for that. I got 2 cans of the large black pitted olives. I picked up these beautiful looking green olives stuffed with feta cheese. Also these ones, which are stuffed with jalapeno, which I think my kids are going to love. I also picked up some baby dills. They do not have sweet pickles at my Aldi, so you'll see sweet pickles and some more olives from Walmart, but for now we'll stick with the Aldi stuff. I picked up 2 jars of this turkey gravy. I don't make my own gravy. I've always managed to screw it up every time I've tried, so we just go with that. It's delicious. 2 cans of the jellied cranberry sauce. My whole family likes this stuff, the jellied stuff that comes out in the shape of a can, better than the real thing. So, you know, like with whole cranberries. Homemade, that thing. So, picked up 2 cans of that, 2 cheese balls, a port wine, and a sharp cheddar. Got some of this canola oil spray. Picked up a ton of green beans. These were on sale. We will have these for our Thanksgiving meal. We will also probably have 1 bag for just a regular night. I will steam these up and then add some like butter and deliciousness. Can't wait for those. Ton of chicken broth. This is for my turkey noodle soup the day after Thanksgiving, as well as for the stuffing. So I got 4 2-pound boxes of broth. These beautiful looking carrots and some celery. Already have onions in my pantry. And that was everything, I think, from... Nope, I'm lying. I got some stuff mixed up here. 2 things of eggs were from Aldi for deviled eggs and just for enjoying for breakfast. And then the milk was also from Aldi. So now we'll start on this side of the table and go with the Walmart stuff. Picked up 2 packages of this cubed stuffing. It's unseasoned. I'm going to season it up myself. My mom passed down a delicious stuffing recipe, and I never make it. I always just buy stovetop. So I decided this year I'm going to use her recipe. She always scaled her own bread. I decided instead just to get this to use. But I'm really excited about it. 2 pies. They had a freezer out at my Walmart, so all they had were like a handful of pies left. Luckily, I was able to get the flavors I wanted, but I had to get the Marie calendars, so they were a little bit more expensive than the Great Value ones I typically buy, but that's okay. I got a pumpkin and a cherry crunch pie. I needed a star. We got a new tree this year, so I needed a tree topper. So I picked up this one. I don't know how it's going to work out. I don't know if I love it, but it was slim pickings in terms of the LED toppers with the cool white lights, which is what I have. So hopefully that will work out. Great big thing of the whipped topping. Like I said, they had a freezer out, so they didn't have a whole lot left. That was the only size they had, so that's giant, but we'll definitely go through it between the holidays. Picked up these bowls. These are by Mainstays. These were like 97 cents each. I thought these would be great for serving our little pickles and olives and stuff in, and then also after Thanksgiving we can use these for little snack bowls. They're like the perfect size. Picked up the paper plates, some brown and serve rolls. Those are my mother-in-law's favorite, and she will be joining us for Thanksgiving. 2 boxes of the flip sides crackers, which is our favorite. to go with those cheese balls. I got the original and the thins, which we haven't tried, but I imagine those are going to be delicious. And I think the only other thing I got here is the rest of the pickles and olives. So I got just the typical pimento stuffed olives and then 3 jars of the sweet pickles, which are our absolute favorite. So that is everything. I also got my mother-in-law a bag of cat food, which is out in the car. I'm going to take that to her. All told, I think I spent like $70 at Walmart. Of course, that included the Star and a few other odds and ends. And $45 at Aldi, something like that. But we are completely ready for our Thanksgiving feast, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys. So make sure you're subscribed if you haven't. Click the subscribe button yet so that you can check out all my Vlogmas videos coming at you over the next month. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.